Hey, what's up? This is Gerald again. This is my last video from the IRTRA Amusement Park series. If you're interested in the other three, I have them here as well, or in the description. This time we'll be heading to the adventure park, Xejuyup. It has different attractions geared towards nature and fun. Located next to Hostal Aldea de la Selva, as mentioned in other videos. It is the fourth recreational unit that joins IRTRA with comfortable spaces for resting and exploration. To start off, before you enter the park, you pay an entrance fee of 100 quetzales, approximately $12 if you're not affiliated. Since we have the benefit from our job, we are considered affiliates, so we get in the park for free. Once we're in, we do however have to purchase the activities and rides we will get on in a local bank they have in the park. For an amount of 50 quetzales, around $6, you'll get a ticket stub that will be valid for 12 activities and rides that can also be shared. And we start through this wonderful arch. It looks like something out of Avatar. This is the main entrance into the park. It's a great place to take pictures. First thing you'll see to your right is a rope jungle gym called Los Nidos. It's an interactive play area for kids and adults. Our bellies were rumbling, so we went to El Gran Bambu, a restaurant in the park. We had a quick breakfast before starting. I had some pancakes, and my wife had some eggs with beans and fried plantains. A traditional Guatemalan breakfast with coffee. Once finished, we head to Laguna de Coco, a beautiful lagoon for fishing. It currently has 4 types of fish. It's divided in 2 areas where you can take in the view and observe some spider monkeys hang around on an island. Or if you're around the area for lunchtime, you can definitely fish in the lagoon and get help preparing your catch for lunch. Next, we went to El Guacamolon. It's basically a huge bird cage with guacamayas or macaws being the main attraction, and other animals in the area as well. There are rope bridges to cross from one side to the other so you can see the macaws, since they do like to be at a higher altitude. This area has artificial waterfalls you can walk under or behind. You just gotta be careful not to slip on the rocks. When we entered, we were confused as to why we were not finding any macaws, just some ducks, turtles, and other bird species. Since it was still early, they were all having breakfast, just like we did. It's definitely a relaxing area. At the end of the path, you'll find a nice gift shop to buy that special someone something nice. We also went to another area in the park that's called La Vereda, where you can ride horses in a designated area and get a ride on horse carriages that take you around the park. There's also a small farm that has a capacity to house 27 species of animals and has different attractions such as an egg museum where you can learn how an egg is made, aquaculture space with a fish breeding pool that's classified by age. They also have mini pig pens, ostriches, goats, sheep, cows, deer, llamas, and other farm species. And we head to El Cobertizo. It's an equestrian stadium with stables and where they have an area to train the horses and also use it for shows. Right outside they have a snack bar if you're in the mood for something good. We went to this particular show. Unfortunately, we left very early into the event and didn't have the chance to see everything since we didn't have a lot of time on our hands. Lastly, this is just to show you a small summary of everything that was done in the day, especially the rides and activities they have.